Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by measuring fruit and sugar so the jam sets reliably. Use 1 kg raspberries and 500 g sugar for a classic balance. You sterilize jars now to save time later. Once jars are heating, mash berries lightly in a heavy pot. Add sugar and the juice of 1 lemon. This adds pectin and brightens flavor. You heat slowly until sugar dissolves, stirring to prevent scorching. This step ensures even sweetness and prevents grainy texture. You now drive the jam to set. Bring the mixture to a full rolling boil so water evaporates and pectin activates. Stir constantly to stop burning. Once boiling, maintain high heat and skim foam for clarity. Cook 10 to 15 minutes or until a thermometer reads about 105 degrees C. To test without a thermometer, drop a spoonful on a chilled plate and wait 1 minute. If it wrinkles when pushed, the gel point is reached and you're ready to jar. You finish by transferring the hot jam into warm jars, leaving about 0.5 cm headspace so expansion won't break seals. Wipe rims, apply lids, and tighten. You process jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to ensure a vacuum seal and shelf stability. Make sure to cool jars undisturbed. You should hear popping lids. If jam is still runny, don't despair. Reheat, simmer longer to reduce, or add a tablespoon of powdered pectin. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.